Hello and welcome to another update video about HBAR. So on the HBAR chart, the price is still on the larger time frame, hovering just below the 161.8 extension at 39.2 cents. From here somewhere this fourth wave should start, but in the grand scheme of things, looking at the bigger picture, it would still look ideal, it would still look best to get one more high in wave C of 3, with a possible target at 49 or even 66 cents. Why would that be ideal? Because it's just based on the length of the C wave within wave 3 compared to the length of the A wave. Also, if I'm looking at larger degree targets, I mean, it would be ideal for the price to get at least to 93 cents in this cycle, maybe higher. Would be nice to have, right? And then to get there, I mean, if we now have a wave 4, that wave 5 needs to be very extended. So I would prefer if this third wave could extend a little higher. So that's just bigger picture. Key support here on the larger time frame still between 9.8 cents and 16.7 cents. That doesn't mean it's a target yet. We first need to get a bit more subwave structures, and also the idea is actually that we're still in the third wave. So that's at least the idea. Looking at the smaller time frame, you see that on the smaller time frame, I'm still tracking an extension in that third wave, but I'm tracking in parallel this larger wave 4 already, highlighted here in orange with this orange A, B, C structure. Pretty much, therefore, I see two pathways at the moment and a key pivot. So as long as the last low is holding here from Monday, obviously the white count is valid. Any break below it would invalidate it. So the idea is in the white count, this is a wave 1, wave 2, we might be working on a third wave, then get a wave 4 and a wave 5. As I said, to that next fib level possibly. But the bulls need to first take the price above the pivot here, above resistance. There are 3 resistance levels, 32 cents. We've got 35 and 37. Breaking above all those would confirm further this white structure. Please note there's also a trend line coming down, which runs through the area between the 78.6 and the 88.7 Fibonacci retracements. Now that is one pathway. The other pathway, by the way, once this third wave is done, then we should get the larger wave 4. But the other pathway is also bullish as long as we're holding that support that I showed you on the larger time frame at 9.88 cents. But in this case, the wave 4 is already unfolding, and this was just ABC in wave A. We're now working on an ABC in wave B, and this is the key area where we will look for a rejection, and then it could form a 5-wave move down into that lower support region that I mentioned. It is located between 16.7 and 9.8 cents. And again, you know, that's not necessarily expected yet, but we have to consider it given that the reaction to the support area so far is quite weak. I would prefer one more high, but the bulls need to take the price above the resistance area. And in the very short term, it's possible that the problem is this looks very choppy. So it actually looks a little bit more objectively, it looks a little bit more like a B wave-ish. Yeah, like a B wave-ish, like a B wave. So it looks B wave-ish. You know, this C wave might be a diagonal or something. So be ready, right? Be ready for a rejection in resistance. But I just say what I'd like to see, which is one more high. So yeah, but overall in both scenarios, further upside is expected. Again, the only question is how deep is the pullback going to be the market is offering, and the structure of this rally now is very important. At the moment, I'm not too convinced yet. That's the main problem. Okay, that's the update about HBAR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. If you're interested in the membership, on our channel page, you can find a short video that explains the membership. You get access to several member-only videos. For example, today covered CRV, Moonwell, Cody, Litecoin, and eGold. Yesterday, AVAX, 14 coins the day before. There are also member live streams every Sunday. And as a gold member, you can also access our Discord server with lots of educational content, short-term updates, additional coins, and much more. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.